Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 2FA prompts using Google Authenticator. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Make sure you have access to the accounts that require two-factor authentication. If you've lost or changed your device, you need to recover your 2FA prompts. Navigate to the account settings for each service that uses two-factor authentication. Look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. There, you'll find options to manage your 2FA settings. Select the option to use an alternative method for authentication. This may involve receiving an email or a text message. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, you may have the option to reset your 2FA settings. Next, choose to set up Google Authenticator again. You'll be presented with a QR code or a manual entry key. If using a QR code, open Google Authenticator and tap on plus to scan it. If entering the key manually, select the option to enter a setup key. Input the key or scan the code to add the account. Google Authenticator will then display a 6-digit code. Make sure to copy this code into the relevant account setup prompt. Complete any remaining steps to finalize the setup. Now you have successfully restored your 2FA prompts using Google Authenticator. Your accounts are now secured with two-factor authentication once again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.